Engineers, from ancient thinkers to modern inventors, have shaped the world more than any other profession. In this video, we count down the top 10 most influential engineers of all time, whose breakthroughs define the past and continue to power the future. Let's begin. Number 10. Fazlur Rahman Khan. Fazlur Rahman Khan revolutionized structural engineering by inventing the tubular system used in modern skyscrapers. Before Khan, building tall structures required heavy internal frames. His designs, like the Willis Tower and John Hancock Center, allowed architects to go higher with less material. His work marked the fusion of architectural elegance and structural efficiency. Khan's contributions reshaped city skylines, and his techniques remain foundational in today's super-tall buildings. A Bangladeshi-American trailblazer, he also championed diversity in engineering. Simply put, without Khan, our cities wouldn't look the same. Number 9. Robert Goddard. Robert Goddard is widely regarded as the father of modern rocketry. In 1926, he launched the world's first liquid fuel rocket, paving the way for everything from satellites to moon landings. At the time, his ideas were mocked. Newspapers even ridiculed him for suggesting rockets could operate in space. But today, his visionary experiments form the backbone of aerospace engineering. Without Goddard, there might be no NASA, Apollo missions, and SpaceX. His work showed that pushing boundaries often means going where others don't dare. Number 8. Isambard Kingdom Brunel. Isambard Kingdom Brunel was one of the boldest engineers of the Industrial Revolution. Known for his work on the Great Western Railway, the Clifton Suspension Bridge, and revolutionary ships like the SS Great Britain, Brunel constantly challenged what was possible. He connected cities, modernized ports, and designed infrastructure that still stands today. His ability to combine engineering brilliance with daring ambition made him a national hero in Britain and a global symbol of 19th century innovation. His legacy? Transportation systems that revolutionized how people and goods moved across land and sea. Number 7. Nicolaus Otto. Nicolaus Otto developed the four-stroke internal combustion engine, a design that powers most cars, motorcycles, and machinery even today. His invention, the Otto cycle, changed how we generate mechanical energy. Before Otto, steam engines dominated, but they were large and inefficient. Otto's compact design enabled the automobile revolution and helped launch the modern transportation industry. His work laid the foundation for mobility in the 20th century and beyond. Every time you drive a car or board a plane, you benefit from Otto's breakthrough. Number 6. George Stephenson. George Stephenson earned the title Father of Railways for building the world's first successful intercity railway, the Liverpool and Manchester Railway. He also developed the iconic steam locomotive, the Rocket, which set speed and reliability benchmarks for future rail travel. Just as important, he standardized the rail gauge, which is still used worldwide today. His contributions laid the foundation for global rail infrastructure, transforming economies and societies by enabling fast, reliable transport. Stephenson didn't just invent machines. He built the systems that connected the world. Number 5. Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci wasn't just an artist. He was an engineering visionary centuries ahead of his time. He sketched detailed designs of helicopters, tanks, hydraulic pumps, and even robots in his notebooks. Though few were built in his lifetime, his concepts anticipated flight mechanics, automation, and warfare. Da Vinci's understanding of physics, motion, and human anatomy made his inventions remarkably realistic. Today, engineers still study his designs for inspiration. Leonardo reminds us that imagination and engineering are deeply connected, and that true genius spans disciplines. Number 4. Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison was more than just an inventor. He was a systems thinker. With over 1,000 patents, he created devices like the light bulb and phonograph and entire infrastructures such as the first electric power grid. Edison's labs functioned like modern R&D centers, pioneering teamwork-based innovation. His battle with Tesla over AC versus DC power may have made headlines, but Edison's impact went beyond electricity. He helped shape the recording industry, industrial automation, and modern business models for invention. He changed not just how we live, but how we innovate. Number 3. Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla was a brilliant inventor whose work laid the foundation for alternating current, AC, electricity, the system that powers our world today. He also pioneered the induction motor, wireless communication, and early concepts of radar and X-rays. Tesla's visionary mind operated years, sometimes decades, ahead of his time. Though often overshadowed during his life, today he's seen as one of the greatest minds in engineering history. He dreamed of a world of free energy and global wireless power, dreams that inspire generations of inventors. Number 2. James Watt. James Watt didn't invent the steam engine, but he perfected it. His critical enhancements, like the separate condenser, dramatically improved efficiency and made steam engines viable for widespread industrial use. Watt's innovations powered factories, trains, and ships, driving the Industrial Revolution and changing the face of manufacturing. His work revolutionized mechanical power. To honor that legacy, the power unit, what was named after him. Watt's influence can still be felt in every engine, turbine, and motor around the globe. Before we unveil our top pick, here are a few honorable mentions. Henry Ford, Wilbur and Orville Wright, Alexander Graham Bell, Burt Rutan, Ada Lovelace, Alice H. Parker, Ellen Ochoa, Emily Warren Roebling, Gustave Eiffel, John Smeaton, Thomas Newcomen, Alan Turing, Imhotep, Eddie Lamar, Marie Van Britten Brown, Mokshagundam Visvesvarya, Sadish Dhawan, Qian Shuessen, Tu Shou'e, Yukihiro Matsumoto, Kim Dae-jung, Abdul Qadir Khan, Dr. A.N.S. Kulising, Philip Amiguali, Farouk El-Baz, Nazwa Isa, Kamal Gachiji, Sergei Korolev, Mikhail Lomonosov, Verghese Kurian, Abdul Kalam, Zhuge Liang, Su Song, Li Kuei, Andrei Tupolev, Konstantin Tsiolkovsky, Mikhail Mill, Theodore von Karman, Laurent Yevish, D. J. Wamalajarendra, Elijah McCoy, Oliver Heaviside, Mark Dean, April Erickson, Walt Braithwaite, Garrett Morgan. And number 1 is Archimedes, the ancient Greek mathematician and engineer whose principles underpin modern physics and mechanical engineering. He discovered the laws of buoyancy and leverage, designed catapults and pulleys, and invented the Archimedean screw, a device still used to pump water. His ideas in fluid mechanics, geometry, and mechanics were centuries ahead of their time. Whether you're building a crane, calculating lift, or designing turbines, you're standing on the shoulders of Archimedes. Over 2,000 years later, his legacy remains fundamental to engineering. These engineers didn't just solve problems, they reshaped the world. Their legacy lives on in everything we build and use today, from ancient inventions to modern marvels. Engineering is everywhere, and its heroes are global. Who inspired you the most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more world-changing stories, only on Real Life Top 10s. Thanks for watching.